Hi, welcome here to Distilling, where today we're looking at our heat shrink gun. Now, our heat shrink gun is used to apply a shrink wrap seal over the top of your bottle. Now, why is that required, or why is that important? If you've already done B1 craft distilling business training with us, you would be very familiar with our National Liquor Products Act regulations, specifically the bottling and labeling regulations. Now, one of the regulations is that all bottles sold needs to be tamper proof or pilfer proof in terms of the seal. It must be completely sealed. So use either our ROPP, what we call roll-on pilfer proof seal, which is your normal screw top caps, but that doesn't really fit with the craft industry. The look and the feel of the bottles, the way you want the product presented. Screw top closures, no, doesn't really fit with us. There are exceptions, of course. There's very nice bottles, very nice craft products out there with screw on closures, but even then, it's not your normal metal capsule that's cut in that you would find on your big commercial brands. It's normally a screw on closure and again, a shrink wrap seal over it. Now, the shrink wrap seal, either the shrink wrap seal or wax, is required to seal a bar top closure or any other type of closure you put on here, because this normal closure like this, what we call a bar top closure, that is not considered to be pilfer proof. This now needs to be sealed. Now, there's many different types of seals. These, for instance, this is a wine capsule, just goes over like that. Then you also get your clear plastic seals. There's many different ones. It doesn't matter which one you're using, but that's the type of seal you would then put over there. But this seal now needs to be shrunk, and that's done by the application of heat. Now, it can be done. I've done it myself at home using a hairdryer or something. You can shrink that seal. It will work. The problem, however, comes in is that if you're using a hairdryer, if you're not going very, very quickly and moving it around, then you don't get an even application of heat and the seal doesn't shrink evenly. Now, what makes the heat gun handy, and this is the same is true with paint removal guns. The paint removal heat guns you get from your hardware stores, some people use that. That's even worse because it's a very intense heat, but if you're too long on one side, what happens is it shrinks on that side and the capsule actually splits open or just doesn't look very nice. The heat gun, if you look at the design, it's got a spiral element on the inside. So once you put it over the bottle, it's an even heat application from all sides. You get an even shrinkage of the seal, no mess, no fuss, and you've got a perfect seal every single time. So that is our heat shrink gun for the application of seals on bottles.